Alright, I want to look at this problem where we have to change units. So we're given all this information, which are some pretty strange units. We're told that 40 small fish equal 2 big fish. This would be similar to saying there are 12 inches equals 1 foot, or 36 inches equals 1 yard. We've just made up these units. 4 fishing nets are equal to 8 big fish. 10 fishing nets are equal to 1 raft. And the question wants to know how many small fish are equal to 1 raft. So what I'm going to do is set up a ratio. So I'm going to be comparing these units. The first thing I need to do in order to set up a ratio is to see that the pattern, what my pattern is. I wanted to compare small fish. So I'm starting my pattern right here with my small fish. So is small fish compared to big fish? That means I need to compare big fish to fishing nets, not the other way around. So I'm going to write this as 8 big fish are equal to 4 fishing nets. Again, I'm setting up a ratio comparing two things. So I'm going to compare small fish to big fish. Then I can take and compare the big fish to the fishing nets, and then fishing nets to rafts. Sometimes you might be given these measurements, if you want to call them that here, already in this order. And other times you might have to make the pattern work. So an easy way to see the pattern is we should alternate from the left and the right hand side. So I had a big fish on the right hand side, so the next one should be on the left hand side of the equal sign. And the same thing for fishing nets and fishing nets. They need to be on opposite sides of the equal sign. So a ratio is a fraction. We have a numerator and a denominator. I started right here with small fish, remember, because that's what I was given or asked to find. So these are going to be my numerators. So I'm going to have 40 times 8 times 10 divided by comparing them to these other units. The 2 times 4. And then the 1 raft. Right? So again, my units of measure that were over here on the left-hand side and then right-hand side. So 40, 8, and 10. And then 2, 4, and 1. So on the top, I'm going to get 40 times 8 times 10 is going to give me 3,200 divided by 2 times 4 times 1, which is 8. 3,200 divided by 8 is going to give me 400. So there are 400 small fish in 1 raft.